Welcome to this quick tutorial on using Notion as a freelancer. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how freelancers use Notion to manage projects, clients, and finances, and how different templates can help you build a workflow that actually supports the way you work. Notion is incredibly flexible, which is why freelancers love it. You can build your own system from scratch, or you can start with templates designed for freelance workflows. One of the most popular choices is the all-in-one style dashboard. Freelance OS is a great example. It usually combines everything in one place: your client database, active projects, tasks, invoices, income tracking, and even marketing or content planning. Some versions include client portals so you can share timelines and files with clients, plus time tracking pages and a brand hub where you store logos, assets, and templates. If you want a single workspace that handles your entire business, templates like this save a lot of setup time. Another all-in-one option is Freelance Pro, which gives you a full toolkit for project management, financial tracking, client relationship management, and even portfolio organization. It's designed for freelancers who prefer a more structured dashboard where everything is already connected. Your tasks link to your projects link to clients, and your financial records update as you log work. If your focus is more on productivity and hitting income goals, templates like the Freelancer Productivity Dashboard are ideal. These dashboards prioritize task management, billable hours, revenue goals, and tracking income and expenses. They're great for freelancers who want to see exactly how much they're earning each month, how much time they've spent on each project, and what tasks need immediate attention. These layouts work well if your workflow is simple but you want an overview of your business performance. For freelancers who prefer minimalism, there are lightweight templates that keep things clutter-free. The Freelancer Hub is one of the simplest. It includes only the essentials: projects, tasks, clients, and basic financial tracking. It's clean, easy to understand, and perfect for beginners or people who get overwhelmed by complicated dashboards. A similar beginner-friendly setup is the Beginner Freelancers Dashboard, which comes with project details, time tracking, a basic financial log, and a section for contacts or leads. Everything is editable, so you can adjust it as your business grows. Notion also has specialized templates for certain professions. For example, Freelancer Pro for Webflow designers is tailored specifically for web designers and developers. It includes sections for proposals, invoices, project briefs, asset organization, and even a website roadmap so you can outline page structures, wireframes, and revisions. These niche templates help professionals stay organized without reinventing their process from scratch. No matter what type of freelancer you are, the real power of Notion comes from customization. You can combine templates, add your own databases, link related pages, and create views that match the way you work. From Kanban boards and calendars to dashboards that summarize everything at a glance. As you learn the basics, you'll find that your Notion workspace can grow with your business.